Welcome to Toronto, a city where history, culture, innovation collide. I'm your host Abby, and today we are diving into unforgettable 10-stop tour, the most beautiful places, all for just $369 Canadian. Yes, you heard right, $369. Let's hit the road and explore what makes Toronto so magical. Just explain a little bit how I calculated. The ticket for all 10 attractions is $247, and the taxi rides for about 22 kilometers is $123. So all 10 places, I will explain a little bit about every place. CN Tower, so around 553 meters above the city, and step into the glass floor of the heart-pounding view of the street below. Dinner at the revolving 360 restaurant is the cherry on the top. It's a unique experience. When you come on the glass floor, you can see through everything. And I remember, it's a funny thing that one of my best friend, I pushed her on a glass floor and she was mad at me for 3 days. She told me, "You wanna kill me?" She has a height phobia. Anyway, that's the funny part. Rogers Centre. Catch a Blue Jay game or concert under the retractable roof in this iconic stadium. There's huge roof because it's cover around 55,000 people in that stadium, and that has a big long roof. It takes around a half an hour to open the whole roof. In clear weather, when it's not raining or not snowing, they open the roof and it gives you a beautiful view of the sky. Number 3, Hockey Hall of Fame. Immerse yourself in the history of hockey, from legendary memorable to the Stanley Cup. There are a lot of memories inside. There are some pictures, trophies the people won, and just for the display for the tourist. Number 4, Ripley Aquarium. Dive into the underwater world with over 20,000 aquatic creatures and a mesmerizing funnel surrounded by the shark and sea turtle. You will enjoy when you see around. There's a huge water flowing around you and you are walking in a tunnel, seeing the live fishes, turtle, and big fishes also. You will not forget it. They also show different reptile in the glass things and some other snakes and some more creatures the people like. Another thing in CN Tower, I discussed earlier, I missed that point. They have a 360 restaurant. That restaurant basically revolves while you are eating. It's complete 15 minutes to complete the circle, and you watch the beautiful scenery outside while you are eating. Ticket for that dinner is varies around $85 to $140 per person. Sky high dining experience. So it depends on occasions and events. Inside Rogers Centre, there is some sort of you can say open museum for old trains, and it's called a rec room. They put the old train buggies and other things just for the display. The kids and other people, they go and they take pictures and they enjoy there. Basically all around this area, like Rogers Centre, Ripley Aquarium, CN Tower, they are all located together. It's just on the same street, side by side. You don't have to go or take a taxi to visit these three places. So it's all in one place. To $140 per person, sky high dining experience. So it depends on occasions and events. Inside Rogers Center, there is some sort of arena. Cheer on the Raptors or Leaf, or catch a world-class concert in this electrifying avenue. A lot of games are conducted and some events are held over here. It's a big stadium too. Art Gallery of Ontario, someone call it AGO. Lose yourself in our 120,000 work of art, from Canadian masterpiece to contemporary installations. You will enjoy when you come inside the Art Gallery of Ontario, and you will see so many painting, and there are so many exhibitions in 2025 waiting for you. You will enjoy when you love the history and other things. I'll give you a little tour on a downtown streets. It's a Queen Street, so many restaurants and some shops. There, when you have a plan to eat outside or do some shopping, there are a lot of shops all around. And another thing is Eaton Center. It's close by, just 5-minute drive from here, and that's a big shopping center too. At present, it's not in the movie, but it's very close by, and you can see it's a little cold out there, and a lot of snow all around because you have a big snowstorm just hit Toronto yesterday, and normally they just pile up the snow, clean the roads and make the way to their offices. Number 7 is St. Lawrence Market. Savor fresh local produce, artisanal cheese and global flavors in one of the world's best food market. You can find a lot of food materials at very reasonable and cheap prices. When you go inside, that's a big shops and they have a lot of things to buy. 9 is Distillery District. That's wander cobblestone streets and explore art galleries and dine in trendy restaurant in this historic village. They have some sort of small museum just inside, and you can see how the people used to print earlier. They have some sort of printing shop, how they print, and even they're still printing. Just to give you example, how the big rollers were printing on the paper and just to display. But at present, it's a new technology has evolved, so that they want to display it. And over there they have a big heart. Step into the fairy tale as you explore the secret passage, lush garden and the grand hall in this majestic castle. And when you go inside, there are a lot of other things to explore. There's a big dining hall, the old type of gesture, furniture, bedroom, and even the families and other people, they book the dinners and other things to eat inside. The beautiful view from the outside look like the fairy tale castle. And there is a jeep also inside, the old-fashioned jeep, and decorated rooms You'll enjoy and feel like you are in the old era of the year. They have a small fountain outside, and it gives you a unique cultural gesture. The people who love history, you feel like really in the old, very old fashioned area. Thank you very much for joining me and taking a good tour, and some other explanation I try to bring for you. And don't forget, if you like, subscribe, like and share. That will encourage me to make more videos for you. Bye.